on the wall inside my head, inside of me, holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe?
Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you're going well and that you are enjoying the summer and the good weather, if there is good weather wherever you are. Anyway, in today's video, and I'm going to cover a couple of topics. One, I'm revisiting the card I made a few weeks ago. There you go. And that card was to have a start date for a job I love 4 days a week. And yes, I haven't actually achieved the goal, but the thing about it is that the part of it is that you have to keep starting again if you get overwhelmed, or if you get overwhelmed or you start getting into kind of a spiral of negative thinking. And this happened to me at least a couple of times, but I am noticing in it, and I am finding that I am coming off that quicker. So, and I still believe truly and utterly this will work, and I believe it's going to happen soon, and very soon, 100%. And I'm keeping going with it, and yeah, and I feel like as I'm doing it, I'm getting more clear about what I'm doing with it and how it's going and how I'm going to achieve it. So that is all I wanted to say. I wanted to follow up my last video. And my advice to anyone who's thinking of doing it, just do it. I will again link the original video with I'll link the first video I made, and I will also link the video that has all the information about this. Yeah, so when you make your card about your 30-day goal, that you will have instructions from both sides. Basically, what you do is, if this is the first video you've seen about this, is that you set yourself a goal for 30 days and you write it on the card. Then on the back of the card you write, "Ask and it shall be given you. Seek and you will find. Knock and it shall be opened unto you." And you write that on the back of the card. Then you keep this card with you all the time for the next 30 days. What I did is also I wrote it in my diary as well, at the end of the 30 days, to have a new job. Well, you know, that is my goal. Whatever, I wrote my goal in my diary at the end of the 30 days, so I remember the start to the finish of the 30 days. And then what you do is, anytime you have a negative thought or a thought that suggests that you won't have your goal, you just simply read your card and think about yourself being in that position, and see yourself in that position briefly. You can't obviously stand around doing that all day if you've got a job and things, but if you carry your card and look at it when you can. The other thing is that you look at your card first thing in the morning for a little while, and last thing at night, and just kind of think about it a little bit. The other thing I'm going to attach to this video as well is the book called Think and Grow Rich, because I'm going to put it in the description below, because this book is really hugely helpful, and this is where this 30-day method comes from. And yeah, like, while I wasn't successful on this, I'm really glad I did it, because I learned a lot from it. I saw a lot. And I think even making this video, it took me a long time before it was like, well, what did I get from this challenge? I had to think for a long time. But now that I have, I really do think it's helped me to see my negative thinking patterns. And you have to be ultimately courageous with yourself to think positively about your problems, or positively about things that are upsetting you or bothering you, and that takes a lot of courage and strength sometimes, and that's what it's all about. It's all about being the best that you can be in your life. Anyway, so that is the end of that subject. The other thing I want to discuss in this video, well, it's not really a discussion, I just wanted to make a video about art, a day out, making an art piece, and that's it really. So I'm going to have some clips of an outing out about in the city and just some nice art things to watch for you guys. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Please remember to subscribe. You know I love to get some new subscribers, and give the video a thumbs up. And if you want to know when the videos are coming, please click the bell. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help in any way I can. That's all for today. Bye for now. Happy being creative. Bye.
Just say